Okay, hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm unboxing a steam juicer. Something that I've wanted for a little while. I want to be able to make jams, jellies, juices, and this is a practical way of doing it when you know what's in your juice, your jelly, without having all those extras that we don't want. So I ordered this on Amazon. I got a really good deal on it. I'm not sure if it's a good brand or not, but we'll see. If I can only get it out. Oh, goodness. Okay, it is heavy, so it's stainless steel, supposedly. There's one. I think it is stainless steel. Oh, it's got the hose attached already. Nice. Okay, so you have three pieces here. You have your base. You have your reserve where your liquid will go into. We want to make sure that the hose goes in the little notch right here. Okay, and then we have our strainer. And then we have our lid. Okay, what I want to do is I'm going to have to wash this and then we'll get to use it. I have this set up to where my pot here will collect the apple juice once it starts coming down. And it's clamped off right now. It has a rubber hose, a metal clamp, and then you just kink it off. And what I want to do is I want to make sure that I have enough space. I don't have a chair tall enough or anything tall enough, and this is what I came up with. So I'm going to get my apples going. Many of you know you've got an apple core, apple peeler, and you just shove your apple in. And hopefully this will work. Well, I can tell this is going to make a mess. This is going to make a mess. So we'll be back in when all this is done. We have all the apples in the steam juicer now, and this is as far as I'm going to get it. And I've turned on the heat. It's on high. I'm going to cover it. We do have steam coming up already because I've had it going for a couple minutes now. And we're just waiting for it to start producing juice. I'll bring you back when it's ready. Now I don't know if you can tell, but there's steam coming up because after about, I don't know, it's been maybe 10 minutes and we've got probably a full inch of juice in this already. Let me tell you what, these little rubber hoses are extremely hot. So what I've done is I've just taken the clamp off and put the clamp down at the bottom and just let it drain. Now, when I washed these, I did sterilize the hose before I did put the apples in, and I'll tell you what, this is really doing good. Oh, you have to see this. I'm going to bring you over. The apples have literally compressed. Okay, as you can see, the apples have already started to compress. They've gone down about 2 full inches, and as you can see, there's probably a good inch in there. The manual, this little booklet, it's New Way Housewares International is who it's from. Apples should take 60 minutes of steam time. I'm looking at this and I'm wondering if 60 minutes is going to be enough or too much. We've probably got about 2 inches in there. That's not that much for all that apples. But we are going to take and use what's left of the apples and make an applesauce. I'm going to let this cool down, and tomorrow I will make jelly. So that's what we have for juice. And this is after an hour of steaming. Apples are quite tender. Oh, yep, they're completely falling apart. And that's going to make a nice applesauce for dinner tonight. I'm going to take and put my apples in here and add some sugar, some cinnamon, and make some applesauce. But first, I want to show you how much juice we got out of the steamer. Okay, we ended up with just a little over 8 cups. I'll tell you what, these really did cook down. I'm going to start mashing it down a little bit. I'm adding 1 cup of sugar. And 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Now I'm turning this on a medium heat, because what we're going to try to do here is get some of these sugars melted into the apples and cook down some of the moisture that's still left in the apples. I'm going to turn that off, and I think I'm going to use my immersion blender and blend this up. I have one more thing to add to this, and I'm going to add just a little bit of lemon. Alright, there you go, homemade applesauce. So today we unboxed the steam juicer. We made 8 cups of fresh apple juice. We have applesauce. What more can you ask for? I love this thing. Alright, we'll see you soon. Bye!